Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing template. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So first of all, go to the format background and choose a suitable image for your template. Close the format background and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Now remove the rectangle's outline and now insert this donut shape. And increase its size along both sizes and to the same as like length and width. And then you have to insert another donut, but this have to be like 2 centimeters larger than the previous one. Then you have to put it right into the middle and the center, and then you have to insert this rectangle while like this and place it right here onto this donut. Select all the shape, first of all rectangle and then the other shapes, and then go to merge and then like subtract them. Change the color. Let me just repeat the process for those who didn't understand. So next, let's change the color of this rectangle. Black looks amazing, but it won't be like really clear. So I'll just use white. Yes, yeah, like this. Let's increase the transparency of the rectangle, and next into your text box, which holds your header. And be sure to use an eye-catching header because that is where you catch the attention of your audience. Go to text options, and then you're gonna like change this font color to a color that is more suitable. So as you can see, I'm just gonna use this color of black. Next, we're gonna insert a text box which holds your content text, and then we're gonna insert a straight line. And so that was all for the day. The last thing you have to do is like put around it kind of rectangle, remove its fill, and give it an outline and insert your text in it. And increase the weight of its outline and change its color. So that was all for today in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You can download this template from the link in the description below.